Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have swatches of 6 polishes from OPI Tokyo collection. In total there are 12 shades, but I've got 6 for testing and swatching, so this is what I'm showing you today. I hope you will enjoy that video, and if you are interested then please keep on watching. So the first one is another Ramen-tic evening, and this is a dusty rose shade. As you can see, the first coat is very smooth and pretty opaque for such a light shade, but I still needed 2 coats to get full opacity. The polish levels itself pretty well, but I still have few streaks which second coat is covering completely. When it comes to the formula, it is very good. I had no issues with applying that polish whatsoever. The next one is Rice Baby, and this is a mauve pink shade. This nail polish applies very well on the first coat, but I still needed 2 for full opacity and evenness, but the formula is great and easy to work with. Also, this one dries a bit darker than it applies, and it dries very shiny as well, and as all of the polishes that I was testing from this collection. These 2 polishes might look very similar to you, so here you can see how they compare next to each other. In person they are very similar as well as on the camera. The difference is that Rice Baby is slightly more mauve, and another Ramen-tic Evening is more pink. I personally prefer Rice Baby, and if you want to get one of them, I would suggest to take Rice Baby. Also, the name is better for me, my personal preference. The next one is Arigato from Tokyo, and this is described just as pink on the OPI's website. I would say this is a dusty purple cream. So this one covers very well on the first coat. It is almost a 1 coater, but I felt like I still needed that second coat to cover my nail perfectly. This one dries darker than it applies on the nail, and the formula is great as with the rest of polishes. Next one is Hurry-juku Get this color, and this is a bright magenta purple. So with this one, I needed 2 coats for full coverage, as it was more sheer on the first coat than I expected. As with previous one, the formula is great, very easy to work with, and the polish is leveling itself out very well. The next one is All Your Dreams in Vending Machines, and this is an electric pink with iridescent blue shimmer shifting to purple. So this one is a bit sheer on the first coat, but it makes the shimmer stand out very well, but still it covers completely after 2 coats for me. The nail polish has amazing formula, very easy to work with, and once again I need to say that I was very pleasantly surprised that the shimmer is very visible on the nails. Surprisingly, this one is one of my top picks from these polishes. And last but not least, I have I'm On A Sushi Roll, and this is a teal green shade. So another nail polish with great formula that covers after 2 coats with no issues. This one, as you can see, applies really well without any streaks and without running on the sides. This is the only non-pink polish that I got for testing, and I'm very happy with it, so definitely if you like that kind of shades, you can pick it up. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed these swatches and you got the idea of how this collection performs. I think it is a very nice collection, even though at the beginning it looks like there are mostly pinks in there, but you know, who doesn't love pink on the nails? And OPI does great pinks and reds, if not the best to be honest, so if you are into these shades, definitely go and check out this collection because I think you will love it. So that is it from me for today. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this collection and which shade is your favorite. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!